Hello, this is Jordan the beekeeper.
Hello, Jordan. Can you tell me how honey bees make honey?
First, they collect a sweet juice called nectar from flowers by sucking it out and storing it in sacs inside their bodies. When the sacs are full, they go back to the hive and store the nectar in cells of the honeycomb, where it dries and turns to honey.
What is a honeycomb?
It's a wax block inside the hive with lots of holes called cells.
How many flowers do the honeybees have to get nectar from to make honey?
The honeybees must take nectar from 2 million flowers to just make 1 pound of honey.
Wow. Where do they find all of those flowers?
Bees fly up to 2 miles away from the hive to collect nectar.
How do you know when the honey is ready?
When the bees slow down collecting nectar, I peek inside the hive. If the bees have sealed the top of the honeycomb cells with wax, I know it's time to remove the honeycomb.
How do you get the honeycomb out of the hive without getting stung?
I have a special tool called a smoker. I wave the smoker around the outside of the hive so the bees detect smoke.
Does that make the bees mad?
No, but they think there is a fire outside, so they protect the honey. They start to eat it to store it in their body in case they have to fly away while they are busy eating. I reach in and pull out the honeycomb. Then I take the smoker away and the bees calm down.
How do you get the honey out of the honeycomb?
By cutting the wax seal and putting the honeycomb in a special bowl that spins. As it spins, the honey flies out on the side of the bowl.
That's cool. How many honeybees are in a hive?
Around 60,000.
Well, that's a lot. Is making honey all that the honeybees do?
honeybee collects nectar from a flower, it gets something called pollen stuck to its body. When the honeybees fly to the next flower, some of the pollen falls off its body and gets stuck to the new flower. If the new flower is on a tree that makes fruit, the pollen helps that flower make the fruit.
Wow, so you mean that without honeybees, we won't have fruit?
We wouldn't have many foods without honeybees.
I think honeybees are very important.
Yes, they should take care of them so that they can take care of us.
Thank you, Jordan. I really enjoyed a lot about honeybees and how important they are to humans.
You are welcome. Goodbye.